If someone told you that one
Let's
small
get you ready for
change
the
to your
day,
dog's
buddy.
daily routine could help support cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums, would you believe them? Most of
On
us
day
pay
5, an
close attention
invisible
to what
layer of
goes into our
bacteria
dog's
takes
bowl,
hold. This
thinking about
soft
nutrition,
biofilm quickly hardens
protein,
into plaque.
vitamins, or
Regular care
calories.
can stop this
But very
process
few
before
people
it
stop
starts.
to consider how that same bowl could also become part of a better dental care routine. The surprising part isn't that dental health matters. We already know it does. The real surprise is how many dogs quietly develop plaque and tartar without showing obvious signs until the problem has become much more serious. And while there is no magical ingredient that makes years of tartar disappear overnight, there are simple daily habits that may help slow plaque buildup and support better oral health over time. Today, we're exploring one of the most talked about additions to a dog's water or food bowl, what science actually says about it, what it can and cannot do, and why understanding your dog's mouth might change the way you care for them forever. Dogs rarely complain when something is wrong with their teeth. Unlike people, they don't point to a sore tooth or tell us that chewing hurts. They adapt. A dog with uncomfortable gums may continue eating, just a little more slowly. Another may begin chewing on one side of the mouth. Some simply become quieter or less interested in toys they once loved. Because these changes happen gradually, they often go unnoticed. By the age of 3, many dogs already show signs of dental disease. That doesn't necessarily mean severe pain or major infection, but it does mean plaque and tartar have often begun accumulating. Plaque starts as a soft, sticky film made of bacteria, saliva, and food particles. Left undisturbed, it hardens into tartar, also known as calculus. Once tartar forms, it cannot simply be brushed away. It adheres tightly to the tooth surface and usually requires professional cleaning to remove safely. This is where many pet owners become frustrated. They hear claims online promising effortless solutions. Sprinkle this powder. Add this liquid. Mix in one mysterious ingredient, and your dog's teeth will become perfectly clean. It sounds appealing because everyone wants an easier way to care for their pets. But biology is rarely that simple. One ingredient that has attracted considerable attention in recent years is certain species of seaweed, particularly a brown seaweed, often included in canine dental supplements. Researchers have explored whether compounds naturally found in some seaweeds might influence the bacteria involved in plaque formation. Some studies suggest there may be modest benefits for certain dogs when these supplements are used consistently alongside normal dental care. However, results are not universal, and researchers continue investigating exactly how these ingredients work and which dogs benefit the most. What's important is understanding the difference between preventing new plaque and removing hardened tartar that's already there. Those are two very different goals. Imagine never washing a dirty plate for several months. Once food has dried and hardened, rinsing it with water won't restore it to its original condition. The same principle applies to tartar. Daily habits are excellent for slowing new buildup, but they cannot erase years of hardened deposits overnight. That doesn't make prevention any less valuable. In fact, prevention is where the greatest impact happens. The mouth is an incredibly active ecosystem. Hundreds of bacterial species naturally live there, many completely harmless under normal conditions. Problems begin when plaque creates an environment where harmful bacteria multiply. As these bacteria accumulate around the gum line, the body's immune system responds with inflammation. Over time, untreated inflammation may damage the tissues supporting the teeth. This process doesn't happen because owners don't love their dogs. It happens because plaque is relentless. It forms every day. Think about your own teeth. Even if you brush every morning, plaque begins forming again within hours. Dogs experience the same constant cycle. The difference is that they can't brush their own teeth. So where does adding something to the bowl fit into all of this? Some water additives and dietary supplements are designed to reduce bacterial growth or make plaque formation more difficult. Others aim to freshen breath by addressing odor-causing compounds. Certain products have undergone independent evaluation for safety and effectiveness, while others rely mostly on marketing. The key is realistic expectations. A quality dental water additive is not replacing brushing. A nutritional supplement is not replacing professional veterinary examinations. Instead, these products may become another tool within a much larger strategy. This is similar to how people think about healthy habits. Drinking water supports health, but it doesn't replace exercise. Eating vegetables is beneficial, but it doesn't eliminate the need for sleep. Individual habits rarely perform miracles alone. Their strength comes from working together consistently. Dogs thrive on routines. They don't think in terms of dramatic transformations. Their bodies respond to repeated daily experiences. That is one reason bowl-based habits are so attractive. Every dog eats and drinks every day. Unlike toothbrushing, which some dogs resist, adding an approved supplement to food or water may require little change to the dog's behavior. Of course, taste matters. Dogs possess fewer taste buds than humans, but their sense of smell is remarkably powerful. If an additive changes the smell or flavor too dramatically, some dogs simply refuse their water. That's why introducing anything new gradually is often recommended, allowing owners to observe whether normal drinking habits continue. Hydration should never be compromised in pursuit of dental health. Interestingly, chewing itself plays an important role in maintaining cleaner teeth. Wild canids spent much of their lives tearing, ripping, and chewing prey. Modern dogs live very different lives. Many consume soft commercial diets within minutes. While complete nutrition is available in these foods, the mechanical action of chewing may be reduced compared with tougher materials. This is one reason specially designed dental chews have gained popularity. Some are engineered with textures intended to create gentle friction against tooth surfaces as dogs chew. Again, they're not miracle products, but evidence suggests certain veterinary-approved dental chews can reduce plaque accumulation when used appropriately. Notice a pattern emerging? Success rarely comes from one extraordinary product. Instead, it comes from several ordinary habits performed consistently. Brushing, routine examinations, appropriate chewing opportunities, balanced nutrition, possibly selected dental supplements. Together, these habits create an environment where plaque struggles to gain the upper hand. There's another fascinating aspect many people overlook. Dogs communicate through their mouths far more than we often realize. A relaxed mouth with soft lips usually reflects comfort. Lip licking can signal stress, anticipation, or uncertainty depending on the context. Gentle mouthing during play demonstrates remarkable bite inhibition developed through early social learning. When oral discomfort develops, these natural behaviors may subtly change. Some dogs stop carrying toys. Others avoid games involving tugging. A normally affectionate dog may become reluctant to have its face touched. Because dogs cannot describe pain verbally, behavior often becomes the first language of discomfort. This makes regular observation incredibly valuable. You know your dog's normal habits better than anyone. If chewing changes, if bad breath suddenly becomes much stronger, if eating becomes slower, if drooling increases unexpectedly, these changes don't automatically indicate serious disease, but they deserve attention rather than dismissal. One of the biggest myths surrounding canine dental care is that bad breath is simply normal. Many owners jokingly accept dog breath as part of life. In reality, while a dog's breath will never smell like mint, persistent foul odor often reflects bacterial activity inside the mouth. Freshening breath without addressing underlying plaque is a little like spraying air freshener into a room with overflowing trash. The scent may improve temporarily, but the source remains. This is why products targeting bacterial populations rather than simply masking odor tend to receive greater scientific interest. Still, even the best products cannot guarantee identical results for every dog. Breed differences matter. Small breeds frequently experience dental disease earlier than many larger breeds because their teeth are crowded into smaller jaws, creating more areas where plaque accumulates. Age matters too. An older dog has simply had more time for plaque to build. Diet influences the process. Genetics likely contribute. Even chewing preferences differ dramatically between individuals. One Labrador may enthusiastically chew approved dental toys every evening. Another dog may ignore them completely. This individual variation explains why no responsible researcher promises universal outcomes. Science rarely speaks in absolutes. Instead, it asks careful questions. Does this approach reduce plaque compared with doing nothing? Does it improve gum health in some dogs? Is it safe? Can owners realistically use it every day? These are practical questions because real-world success depends as much on human behavior as canine biology. The most effective dental routine is the one people actually maintain. Many veterinarians encourage toothbrushing because it directly removes plaque before it hardens. Yet everyone knows brushing a dog's teeth isn't always easy. Puppies often adapt quickly if introduced gradually with positive experiences. Adult dogs may need patience. Rewards: gentle handling, very short sessions. The goal isn't perfection, it's cooperation. When brushing becomes another predictable, rewarding routine, many dogs stop resisting altogether. Perhaps the greatest misunderstanding about canine health is believing that visible symptoms always appear early. Dental disease often progresses quietly. A dog may continue wagging, eating, running, and playing while significant plaque accumulates below the gum line. Dogs evolved to conceal weakness remarkably well. In nature, appearing vulnerable carried risks. Although today's companion dogs no longer face wild predators, many of those behavioral tendencies remain. That resilience can unintentionally fool us into thinking everything is fine. Imagine how many joyful moments your dog experiences every day. Greeting you at the door, chasing a favorite ball, crunching a treat, yawning before falling asleep beside you. Nearly all those moments involve the mouth in some way. Healthy teeth quietly support countless ordinary experiences we rarely notice. Until something changes. This is why preventive care deserves more attention than emergency care. Preventing discomfort is kinder than treating pain after it develops. Interestingly, researchers studying the human-animal bond have consistently found that owners who engage in regular caregiving routines often strengthen their relationship with their pets. Brushing, grooming, feeding, and training are not merely maintenance tasks. They're repeated moments of communication. When performed calmly and positively, they reinforce trust. Your dog learns that your hands bring comfort rather than uncertainty. That emotional component is easy to overlook. A dental routine isn't only about teeth. It's also another conversation between two species that learned to live together thousands of years ago. Dogs have adapted to understand our gestures, expressions, and routines with extraordinary sensitivity. In return, we continue learning to recognize their quieter forms of communication. A slight hesitation before chewing, a change in appetite, an unusual smell, a preference for softer foods. These observations tell stories long before words ever could. If you're considering adding a dental supplement, water additive, or seaweed-based product to your dog's daily bowl, think of it as supporting the bigger picture rather than replacing it. Choose products designed specifically for dogs. Follow usage directions carefully. Watch your dog's response. Maintain routine veterinary checkups. And remember that consistency almost always outperforms intensity. An imperfect habit repeated every day usually accomplishes more than an ambitious routine abandoned after a week. Perhaps that's the most valuable lesson hidden inside this entire conversation. We often search for dramatic solutions because dramatic stories are memorable. But biology usually rewards patience instead. Healthy mouths are built one day at a time. One meal, one brushing session, one chew, one careful observation. One routine repeated again tomorrow. The remarkable thing about dogs is how completely they trust us with these ordinary moments. They don't know what plaque is. They don't understand bacteria. They don't read product labels or compare research studies. They simply place their well-being into our hands every single day. That trust deserves thoughtful care. So the next time you fill your dog's bowl, pause for just a moment. Not because there's a miracle ingredient waiting to transform everything overnight, but because that simple bowl represents something much larger. It's where nutrition begins, It's where habits are built. It's where prevention quietly happens. And sometimes, it's where small decisions made consistently over months and years can help preserve the comfort, confidence, and joyful moments that define a happy dog's life. In the end, cleaner teeth are only part of the story. The real goal has never been perfectly white smiles or impressive before and after photos. It's preserving the simple pleasures that matter most to your dog, eagerly grabbing a favorite toy, enjoying every meal without discomfort, greeting you with confidence, and living each day as comfortably as possible. Those moments are built on countless small choices, many so ordinary that they're easy to overlook. Yet when those choices are repeated with patience and care, they become something extraordinary. And perhaps that's the greatest reminder of all, that the healthiest relationships, just like the healthiest smiles, are rarely created by miracles. They're built through quiet consistency, one bowl, one habit, and one day at a time.